I made so much money off launching meme coins where it got to a point where I have to show you guys exactly how I made it all happen. So trust me, you have to keep watching because I'm about to expose exactly how I made all this money. Now, the reason why you have to start launching meme coins instead of trading them is because by launching your own coins, you have nothing to lose. All you have to do is create the coin, wait for buyers to buy inside your coin, and when the market cap and the liquidity is high enough, you simply just remove the liquidity and you run away with thousands of dollars on every single meme coin launch. But if you are a meme coin trader, you could lose your money at any given moment by the creator. And yes, I made all my money from launching meme coins because it's just too easy. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to launch your first coin and then make some money all live on camera. But just to be clear, this video is purely for educational and entertainment purposes only, so please don't copy me. Cap, you can. But anyways, now to launch and create your own coin, you'll want to use create tokens.fun because here it is where you will be able to launch your own coin super fast with no coding required. And the special part about what this website offers is that all the coins are going to be launched on the Raydium DEX, which means that instead of going directly through Pump.Fun, your coin is going to be directly graduated on the Raydium DEX without going through all that bonding curve time. And also the Raydium DEX gets you a lot of more buyers rather than Pump.Fun. Just look at the horrible market caps. And on the Raydium DEX, just look at the insane market caps. They're all 60,000, 600,000, 1 million, okay? But anyways, coming back to createtokens.fun, if you want to make your own coin, there's two different ways. The first way is to actually make it from scratch. So for example, you would go on Twitter. After that, you would look for a narrative to make a coin on, like this one. It looks like people are robbing a store. This could be a good narrative because it has 10 million views, or just something else like this one right here, Los Angeles as occupied territory. Just anything around news, right? Or something popular or like a meme, okay? After that, you would come to createtokens.fun, you would put the token name, token symbol, and token image, and just continue with the other steps. And if you're confused about what you have to do, well, here you have a step-by-step guide on how to make your first coin. But the second way to launch a coin and make some money is actually by copying coins. Now, this feature right here is actually my favorite one because it's more consistent and you can make way more money without going through the gamble of finding a narrative, because all these coins right here are all trending, they're all pumping on Pump.Fun, so they're all proven concepts and narratives to get you some buyers, so you will make money, okay? Like, it's actually crazy. There's people in my Telegram group that are 14 years old and making thousands of dollars every single day just by copying coins and then dumping them. But now it's time to make a coin and make some money because I want to buy myself some DoorDash and maybe a pair of shoes. So I'm gonna make a coin right here. Now I'm gonna look for a coin. Let me refresh the list. Okay, the Diddy party right here just caught my attention. It has a last buy 2 seconds ago. It's King of the Hill and it has a $37,000 market cap. So first of all, connect your wallet. It's really simple. Boom, it's connected. Now click on create coin, which will copy it. And then a warning will pop up. It's completely normal, okay? Every single person is going to receive this warning, but proceed anyway. Confirm, I understand, confirm. And then your coin should be copied shortly. Come on. Oh my god. Okay, boom. Now as you can see, it is created. It is on the Solana blockchain, so the website actually works and it is legit. Now copy here and click on create liquidity pool, and now it's time to make your coin tradable. Okay, so select your coin. Obviously here I have a bunch of coins created, but I'm gonna take the one I created. Here's select your Solana binds. Amount token A, click on 90% to put 900 million coins in the pool, and the amount token B right here is actually the amount of liquidity that you're buying in with your own money. Now you will be the first buyer inside your own coin, so you are not losing this money, okay? It will come back inside your wallet at the end. Now I like to put 0.5 SOL, but obviously the minimum is 0.3 Solana, and then we should be ready to create a coin. So 3, 2, 1, create pool. Your wallet is gonna pop up. Yes, sir. then do confirm. After that, click on refresh, and boom, your coin popped up. As you can see, I'm already 0.51 so in profit. Now click on view on Photon, and now the coin is live. Oh my god, let me go in a lower time frame real quick. Okay, it's already pumping a lot. Let me go see who buying. $46, $6, $20. What? Yo, this coin's actually gonna explode. Okay, if it rips really high, I am gonna remove the liquidity and dump it. Oh my god! It's pumping so much! Okay, to remove the liquidity, come back to Crypto.Fun, click on the minus button, do 100% remove the liquidity! Oh my god! I'm about to retire my entire family with this! Oh, cap. Go inside your Phantom wallet, and then confirm! And boom! I just dumped the coin, and I just printed a shit ton of money out of thin air. And if I open my Phantom wallet to see exactly how much I made in 3, 2, 1, $540 is inside my wallet, bro. Oh my god, I made a $500 profit. Create tokens.fun is linked in the comments down below or in the description. If you want to enter the 1 soul giveaway, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe, and yeah, bye.